let's review some charts and then think of a game plan for today. So last week we ended much below first standard deviation of implied ranges, and for the upcoming week we have 100 points up and down. It's going to be month end also, so pretty interesting week. So looking at monthly, still within balance. Weekly, we made slightly higher high, but this candle is almost an outside bar, so not looking that great. Still within balance, I would say. And on the daily, let's start with this chart maybe. Or not. Okay, so we had bigger volume, quite okay. Recent times when we had this big of a volume, it was indication of reversal. So maybe this will be the case also now. Here it was reversal. Here almost bottoming, but we made a slightly lower low, and here it was a reversal. We made barely new high on SPX. On this chart I didn't see it. Looking at volume profiles, we are back below this bigger volume node and back to some EMAs and view ups. Still nothing big. 5% correction is much lower, and looking at the ranges, they are flat. So, and we are nowhere near overbought or oversold, so balancing. Let's take a quick glance at the profiles. So it seems that we are in the bottom part of the range that we've made in the recent 2 weeks, but in the bigger picture we are like halfway to the lower end of this balance, but not much trading below. Only one day here, and it was quickly bought up. So if we start trading lower, we might explore this lower part and fill this gap. So 5900 looks interesting if we start trading lower. Here I think we had put wall level around that, so if we break it, then we might see some bigger volatility in both directions. So yeah, let's think of a game plan now. Maybe quick review of last session, because it is also important for me. So I wanted to get long in few moments. I was trying to get short but higher, and we had an open drive down, so I attempted to get long somewhere here when we cleared this low. I got stopped. Then I think I did end up longing here, and it was profitable because it is some previous reference. Yeah, so something here was weird, so I ended up longing here, and then I was trying to get long and I was getting stopped out. I found some levels based from previous trading activity. Overall a bad day, and also because I We didn't get to view up, so I couldn't get short in a decent spot, and I did try to trade counter trend for the entire day, so I ended up exiting, I think, around here, so before this final push down, and I think I should trade it differently, so if I don't get the move, the main move of the day, I should really either step out on the days like that, or change completely sizes and just scalp, or I don't know. So yeah, pretty bad day. Not in case of PNL, but execution of the trade plan. So let's merge those unnecessary sessions for now and think of what can happen today. So we opened the week higher, and we will have long inventory as of now. We can expect some early correction of that inventory. So that would give us some opportunities for trading. We are going to open within value, and until we break this high, I think that we are possibly for bigger downside. So basically this area from 6107 to 6024 is rotational. So if we open and attempt higher, early attempt higher, then it would be great opportunity for overnight inventory correction to get us back to settle, or at least to this to fill those single prints. So around this pullback low, it would be good short opportunity with clear stops just above the highs. I would try this maybe twice if I get stopped out on the first attempt. And another attempt would be if we trade higher, but depending how hard, because we can see some V-shape reversal. It is we had OPEX on Friday, so now with new money flowing, there is some possibility of recovery. So I would have one attempt shorting here, well, one here, and one somewhere here, and for going long, I like this area here. It would be my first attempt to go long. Then if we clear the lows and get higher, I would get long, and then I don't plan to enter any longs unless the structure tells me so. So if the profile starts building like this in the middle, then of course buying somewhere here. If we don't start expanding ranges, like for example some weak attempts higher, and then in one period we erase all that incline, then I won't be entering longs. So that's pretty much for what I have in plan for today, and let's see how it develops.